In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check balance on Airbnb gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for your gift card details and what to do if the gift cards option isn't showing up in your account. First, log in. Open the Airbnb app or go to the website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the same account where your gift card is linked. A quick tip. If you have multiple accounts, confirm you're on the right one to avoid confusion about missing balances. Once you're in, tap Profile or open the menu, depending on whether you're on mobile or desktop. On mobile, you'll typically find Profile at the bottom right. On desktop, look for your profile photo or your initials at the top corner to open the main menu. From there, go to Gift Cards. This is the dedicated area where Airbnb displays your gift card information. If your card is associated with your account and available in your region, this page will show the balance and any linked gift cards. Give it a moment to load and refresh if needed to ensure you're seeing the most up-to-date numbers. Sometimes you won't be able to see the gift cards option because it isn't available in your region. This can happen if you're traveling or if Airbnb is still rolling out features in your location. If this happens, you may use a coupon in the meantime while they are still fixing or updating the system, so you can still apply savings to your bookings while you wait for gift cards to become available again. To do that, tap Profile again to return to your account menu. Click Account Settings to open the main settings area for your profile. Next, select Payments. This is where Airbnb keeps your payment methods and promotional tools. Finally, click and enter coupon codes. Type in your coupon code carefully and apply it to your account. While this doesn't display your gift card balance, it does let you redeem a discount right away if the gift cards feature isn't visible to you at the moment. A few closing tips for smooth sailing. Keep your app updated so you're seeing the latest features. Double check your region and language settings if something seems missing. And refresh or sign out and back in if the page doesn't load properly. If gift cards later appears for your account, return to the gift cards section from your profile or menu to view your balance there. That's it. Simple, clear, and ready to use. Thanks for watching and happy booking.